Well, it's been a while since I've done one of my own videos instead of Steve's, and I wanted to let you know that I was missing in action for a while because I flew back over to the mainland because my daughter Nicole, my oldest daughter, made me a tutu or a grandma, and she had a son, and on September 25th at 1:28 in the morning, and I got to be in the room. It was very cool. So thank you, Nicole, for giving me that title, and I love you and I miss you already so much. And when the house is done, we'll build a little guest house, and hopefully, you know, at some point you can come here with my grandson. But I wanted to give you guys an update on the conditions of how we're living and how the house is coming overall. So there's our gate is open right now. Steve just got home from running down to the post office. We haven't finished the chicken coop because we knew we were having somebody come to excavate a path from that spot right there over to the next house. And that's a whole new video. But the tour, I had a neighbor bring a bunch of plants to us. I just kind of put them there because I'm not sure where I'm going to put them, because I want to put some over here once we get all that cleaned out. We got a nice cover for Blackie, so that'll help it last even longer. And then we have a little cover over here for, I don't know what we're calling her yet, the Nissan Leaf, and that's where it plugs in on that side of the house. And we moved the car hauler out of the way for the excavator the other day. Got some more plants coming around here, and where Steve is sitting right now, that's the only place we really get a connection with our phone. We have to sit right there. We can't move. You got to have your phone in a certain little area. And we're getting ready to pot some plants today, some trees that somebody aerated for us. It's my little garden area I set up. And then there's the path. This is the backyard, and where that little scrunchie is over there, that's our outside shower. We've had that set up for a while. Some people like having that total freedom, taking a shower, and at some point I want to build some kind of privacy wall. Nobody can really see us. It's just, if somebody were to walk up, I don't know. It's just the idea of it. So now let's go inside and see the inside. Oh yeah, and there's our antenna that we have set up so far for the TV. So there is some plywood that Steve got the other day. That'll go on top of the bathroom area. And then this is a ledger board that I'm going to paint because it's not treated, and that'll go for the back deck, which is that set of patio doors. And the living room's still pretty full of a workstation with tools and slowly taking over. I love these clear story, or these windows up here, because if it gets really hot, I will open those during the day and it'll let the heat out. We don't have the heat pump set up yet because we won't do that till after we're done drywalling. This wall I'm thinking about doing a thaw or fake little fireplace. And one idea we're toying with is to take what they call pies, or no, cookies, which is slices of wood, and going from floor to ceiling on the left and right of the fireplace, and then the TV of course will go above the fireplace. Thinking about a chair on each side and then a little couch here. These fans are fantastic. Steve got some island lights in for me. My kitchen's starting to come together. Got what we call the bridge up there. Steve hooked those temporary lights up till we get the drywall up because it was getting dark here at night. Cooking some pad thai for later on. Got some storage here. Running water, coffee toaster. And then that microwave will go above the stove, and this white cupboard will go above the microwave. and excited for all that to come in. That plywood we saw outside will go on the top of this area here. The vanity is here. I've got 2 stainless steel shelves sitting on top of the vanity for right now, but those will go to the right of the window there. I like open shelving, and I will put the cups and plates on there and bowls that we use on a daily basis. So not a large quantity up there, but eventually. And then we had, Steve had installed a kitchen or bath shower faucet, whatever it is, a valve, a system, and the valve didn't work on it. We shipped it from China probably 2 months ago, and now we found out it does not work. So we're starting from scratch on that. We've got this bifold door to close up the closet for the hybrid. Got real lucky, and we went to Lowe's on the other side of the island one day, and one louver wooden door here at Home Depot was $179, and I saw this on clearance at Lowe's on the other side of the island for $75, so it worked out perfect. Just hanging up our towels on nails right now, but eventually that's where we will hang our towels. There's the brains of the house, well, the extension of Steve's brain. And then just a little sneak peek. This is kind of the idea I have for the Ohana, eventually having a little deck with 2 chairs and a table, and then a window door. This would be a countertop with a little refrigerator underneath, mirror on the back side with 2 hanging sconces, pocket door with a toilet and sink, of course a bed with 2 little nightstands, and then a window high up above it. Then a closet for them that they could use, and then a bigger closet here that Steve can put in shelves, a desk. If he ever wants to work on electronics, he can open this closet up, and we'll have some kind of chair here that he can swivel around. And then an area for 1 car to park. So that'll be down the road and way down the future. So onto the bedroom. What can I tell you about the bedroom? I got a little temporary hanging area there till we get the closet set up. Got our nightstands already. There's Steve's. We're using his side for to set our TV on. Once the drywall goes up, that TV will be hung up on the wall. And we're liking it. We're liking it a lot. It's looking good, feeling good. We sit here sometimes in the morning or late in the evening. We do get like 8 stations sometimes, but at least 3 or 4 stations most of the time on our TV to drink coffee to in the morning, or watch in the evening to relax. So that's where we're at with the house. It's coming. I special ordered the rest of the cabinets for the kitchen, and hopefully that'll be coming in the next week or so. We're finishing up hooking up internet. Steve will do plywood up there. We'll start with drywall, and then this house will start looking real different. So I'm excited about that. So thanks for watching.
Hey babe, what you doing?
I'm cooking.
Imagine
Making
that.
us pad thai. I don't know if you remember when we were in Colorado. I made this for you, and we loved it. So we ate a second bowl and a third bowl, and we made ourselves sick eating it. But pad thai. I've had to learn to cook a lot of dishes because in Colorado there were many restaurants that we didn't have in the city that was near us. So this was one of my favorite meals. But I'm so excited because I can actually cook again, and Steve hooked these lights up so I can see to cook, and I got a microwave I can use and convection oven. I do have convection oven on this, but it still draws way more power than that convection oven, and that'll be on the island that we make. But I've got my knives. Oh, and it's really excited because I have all my spices, most of them back. Target had 25% off all spices, so I'm like, now's the time to get them. And anyway, I'm excited because I get to cook again. Yay! That's our little joke between Steve and I, because all of a sudden I started saying yay to everything. But anyway, that's it. Cooking. Back to cooking.
Let me tell you a little secret about how Momma D and I got together. We were both on the same website called Our Time, which is a dating website for people over 50. And I was looking through all that stuff, and in her profile she had answered these multiple questions, and one of them was, how do you feel about cooking? And one of them was like, oh, I love to cook on one extreme, and the other extreme was, I would starve before I cook. And she had picked the one that was like second to the last. I would rather cook than starve, which means she doesn't really want to cook. Well, I saw that and I thought, that's pretty cool. That could work out because that helped me lose some weight. Well, she kind of fibbed on that. She likes to cook. She likes to cook a lot. She likes to cook things that taste good. My problem is I like to eat, so you could say that has us going together very well or not good at all, because I like to eat. She likes to cook.